Okay. Good morning, YouTube. Just let me get the live stream up on the barcelonatrader.com website. Take me just a moment so people can find it there. Here we are. Live streams. Looks like we have some extra traffic today by the way the website's behaving. Okay. That is up there now. All right. Let's first things first, dive into today's analysis. One thing I want to be mindful of is that the analysis, the AI did hallucinate a little bit and said that we had durable goods reports yesterday. Those are actually coming in today at 8:30. But we'll just disregard that. And here's the analysis for today.
The Barcelona trader. This is GoldGPT.
Hang on. I need to get my headphones on so I can hear what's going on. Make sure I have everything coordinated the way I need it. There we go. Okay, let's bring this over here. Back that up and enlarge. All right, here's the analysis. I'll catch you on the other side.
Welcome to the Barcelona trader. This is GoldGPT with your session analysis for Friday, July 25th, 2025 at 7:15 a.m. Eastern, focused on spot gold and gold futures for the New York session. I'll walk you through the fundamentals, market sentiment, key price levels, and the setups we're watching, so you can approach this session with confidence, clarity, and maybe just enough swagger to exit your trades on time instead of narrating their slow deaths in your journal. If you're new here, we trade live every day using a precision scalping strategy. You can learn the full system and be among the first to use me, GoldGPT, as your AI trading assistant at thebarcelonatrader.com. You'll also find our full live stream schedule for both New York and Asia sessions. And if you're ready to level up, join our Zoom room to interact with Mike and Tono in real time and get direct coaching. Now, let's get into today's session. Gold is not feeling particularly golden this morning. After bouncing around in the Asia session, it collapsed hard overnight, and now we're opening New York with spot gold trading near 3,343, down from a session high of 3,373. Futures are mirroring the move, sitting just above that level. In short, this market got punched in the face and hasn't stood back up yet. The culprit? A hotter than expected durable goods orders print on Thursday that reinforced the higher for longer Fed narrative. The US dollar has been climbing, now pushing into the 97.7 range. And while the 10-year yield has gone a bit sideways over the past hour, it's still elevated around 4.41%. That's a 1-2 combo gold doesn't like. There are no major data releases today, so unless a Fed official decides to go off script or someone sneezes geopolitically, the durable goods print is going to continue casting its shadow over the session. Sentiment is about as lopsided as it gets. FX Blue shows USD strength clocking in at plus 4.2, while gold is dragging at negative 3.3. The hybrid dashboard confirms it. This is a trending market with low volatility and a strong directional bias. Translation: it might not move fast, but when it does, it'll likely commit. Now, price action. Gold has decisively lost the daily mid-1, and as of this briefing, is flirting with a breakdown beneath daily support 1 at 3,348. If that level goes, we're watching for a continuation move into the 3,329 area and potentially a stretch into the low 330 range, or even the weekly support zone around 3,306. That path isn't guaranteed, but it's greased and ready if the bears stay in charge. On the other hand, if we see a surprise reclaim of 3440 with conviction, we could see a run back up to DM1 around 3339 and possibly up toward the daily mid-2 near 3360. But unless the dollar suddenly trips over its own shoelaces, that kind of upside will likely be short-lived. As for the 10-second chart scalpers, the risk and opportunity zones are clean today. If we get a tight consolidation and a break below 3348, look for quick entries with momentum toward 3329. The key is structure and volume. No structure, no trade, no volume, no confidence. And just remember, on Fridays like this, when there's only one real data print in the rear view and sentiment is heavily skewed, it's easy to overtrade dead zones or chase moves that don't follow through. Don't. Let the market show its hand. And when it does, hit it clean and walk away. You're not here to be a hero. You're here to survive and fund your Monday. That's your New York session briefing for Friday, July 25th. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the market doesn't owe you a thing, but discipline just might. GoldGPT signing off.
All right, so there we have it. Let's get into our day. Get a little ambient music going on here. Turn that down just a touch. Okay, so let's take a little trip around the block. We just did there with the analysis. The analysis is, of course, a little bit behind because we put that together about a half an hour before we release it. That's about the time that it takes. So we have gold significantly weaker than the dollar right now. Gold is negative 5.1. The dollar is buying at positive 4.2. So that means we are, at least the sellers are in charge right now. We are in a downtrend. We are selling right into a pretty significant support zone on the 1 minute chart, but it looks like we have momentum. So it might be that there's a sell to take here. Don't want to get too far ahead of myself, just getting onto the charts. Don't like to just jump in. We are also butting up against a support. The DM1 is right here. If we look here at the 1 minute chart, bring everything back into focus. This line here is the DM1 pivot. So I don't want to trade right into that, but if it pushes through, looks like there is a clean sell down here to 33, 36.50 or so. The only impediment to that I see is a significant support zone that is formed on my 1 minute chart on my MT4, where we have a very good support resistance indicator that I'd like to show you, but my video system here is working only on my Mac, where I have plenty of charts and indicators to show you, but my MetaTrader runs on my PC, and that is not where my Zoom is currently working. All right, so we are on a 10-second chart for futures right here. This is what we're trading this morning. Tono, my partner, when he comes on, he's trading spot and calls the spot entries and exits, but he won't be on until a little bit later this morning. So let me get this here sorted out. It looks like my gold line isn't working there. Gold futures. Bang. Let's make that line gold. We know what it is. All right. This down here, gold and the dollar. So we can kind of see whether they're converging, diverging. I have a couple of other indicators where we look at that as well, including over here on the right where we have the FX blue relative currency strength. I look at these two right here, gold and the dollar. When they are converging, that is a directional change. When they are diverging, that is a continuation of whichever direction it's indicating. Down here below, we have retail sentiment. We have retail traders 71% long and about 29% short. Typically, the market moves away from where the retail traders are. So what I'd like to see right now is I would like to see price break this support level right here, this pivot, the DM1, and break nice straight down below. Hit into this zone here would be wonderful. Meantime, we're just meandering. We do have some news at 8:30, despite what the analysis said. It was hallucinating there. We're still working out some kinks there with GoldGPT, which is why it is not quite released to the public yet. But we do publish our analysis every day. And if it hallucinates, then we put the little caveat in there. So it is 7:44 a.m. Eastern time. Officially, we kick off the unofficially we kick off the New York session now at 7:45, but officially at 8 a.m. All right, I'm gonna hang in here for at least my intention right now, unless things go terribly wrong. I'm gonna hang in here for a bit of a longer session today. All right, pulling open my iPad. I like to journal by hand on my iPad during session with an Apple Pencil. So I'm going to write down, first of all, at 7:45, my New York session begins. Sometimes I can tell with my handwriting whether or not I'm emotionally settled and calm. My handwriting was a bit jittery And I need to take a couple deep breaths before I release any trades. So my handwriting is pretty sloppy as it is, even on my good days. But I can't detect differences in it, and it's a good tell for me. I also, look inward. What mood am I in? Am I anxious? Am I trying to make up for a bad trading day yesterday? Where just kind of what is the body feel that I have? Today I feel pretty calm. Yes, I could have had a much better day yesterday. I didn't. I'm green for the week so far, but not very much. So today I'd like to get the week off strong, but we'll see what the market gives us. We will see what the market gives us. You can only take what the market gives you. And that is if you're good enough to capture it and not let it pass you by. So we're dialing in here. See the last few candles gone up, seem to be respecting this range here, this linear regression bands. Not quite as easy to see here on the 10-second chart. Looks like it's done a lot more, and that certainly would have been, something that could have been traded, but it was a little choppy, and it goes against what our market bias is right now. So right now at 7:49, we've got USD at plus 2.6, and XAU at negative 3.9. And I'd just like to keep that in mind. And we are also price on spot equals 33.42.46. And so we can just kind of keep track of how far we've come from this point. Okay, so what we do see is convergence. XAU is now at negative 3.1. A moment ago, it was at negative 3.9. So gold is strengthening, and the dollar is weakening, which does signify more of an upward trend. Which continues now. So if we break here, which it doesn't look like we will, and we're coming down. So we're watching this come down. Sometimes the best you can do is just watch. Wait to see if a trade sets up. Now, the things that could inspire some trades right now would be some volume and some momentum. Of course, we do have news at 8:30. Orange folders, durable goods orders. But that is an indication of the economy and of inflation. So you can see how the market interprets that. Okay, here we are. We're coming down below this. I think this is a sell right here. Wait for confirmation. Oh, not yet. Okay, I'm in a small sell. We're in positive. It's not going very quickly. Might not go very far. Don't like that. I should have taken it when it was giving it to me. Well, I don't like what it's doing here. Now it's 60 against me. Don't like that at all. I've got some market structures telling me that it might not go up any further. And of course, we are seeing weakness in gold. The dollar is still strengthening. So I'm hopeful I'll get out with at least a break even, if not just a tiny loss or a tiny gain. but this was not the trade that I thought it was. Should have taken the 40 when it showed it to me the first time. There's 20, 10, 20. I'm just going to take when it shows me some green, I get a little greedy, expecting it to show me a bit more, but I don't think it is. I don't like that it goes against me further than it even comes for me anymore. So what time do we have here? Got 2 minutes for the next candle. I think I should get out. You know, usually my rule is if a trade isn't playing out for me within the first 7 seconds, I should get out. So I'm going to go ahead and take this little loss here. I go ahead and take this. That's going to give me $10, I think. All right. Yeah. Okay. I took 40. It gave me the 40 I was looking for. But I'm not sure that was a great, I mean, it definitely was not a great trade. That turned into what I like to call a Sagrada Familia. If you're familiar with Barcelona, you know that the Sagrada Familia is a church built by, well, designed by Antoni Gaudí, that has been under construction for, you know, since the early 1900s. Just takes forever to play out, and that's what happened here. Now, oh, this is interesting. Oh, I see. So correction, I did not get $40. I got $10. I guess I had $30 still on the chart from last night. Okay, so I got $10. When did I get into that trade? I'm gonna journal that very quickly. To that trade at 7:55. Okay, now we're getting the movement I was looking for before. Still not a lot of volume in the market, but increasing. You know, I'd like to take that. I think it's going to go my way. There's not enough volume there for me to feel like risking it. It's probably going to go down there and hit that swing low and then bounce. Certainly that's what's going to happen. Yeah, but not decisive enough for me to take that. What am I doing? Okay, took that Aragó with little volume. Had I gotten in that, I'd still be in it. And it had gone against me. So I would have been a little upset with myself there. I would be back in profit now, but now out of profit. So yeah, it's just not coming down to that swing low like it said it would. Okay, so that is journaled.
Morning, Mike.
Hey, good morning, Rock. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
All right.
Is Tono not on today?
Rock is in the house.
Yeah, man.
No, Tono said he'll be on around 9.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, there you go. Two rounds of applause. 2 rounds of applause.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow, it went all the way back down.
Yeah, all the way back down since Thursday when it was all the way up there at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just took a cheeky little sell a bit ago. I thought I was going to play out really quickly. I ended up staying in the trade for, 4 or 5 minutes, and it eventually paid me $10. $10.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Jesus.
It didn't go against me really. It just kind of got stuck where it was.
Yeah. But, yeah. I mean, but that's better than,
Yeah.
going against you where you have a freaking heart attack. You're like, oh, Jesus, how am I gonna?
Yeah. Yesterday we started having some YouTube viewers. It was getting exciting.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
I've started sending out the daily analysis in video format.
Oh
And
wow.
yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'll play you part of it here. Hang on, let me pull it back up.
Okay.
Let's see. Where do I have that?
Welcome to the Barcelona Trader.
Oh, hang on, not yet. Let me turn off the music.
Nice.
All right, let me make that. I won't play the whole thing. I'll just give you a little taste of it.
Oh, nice.
This is GoldGPT with your session analysis for Friday, July 25th, 2025 at 7:15 a.m. Eastern, focused on spot gold and gold futures for the New York session. I'll walk you through the fundamentals, market sentiment, key price levels, and the setups we're watching, so you can approach this session with confidence, clarity, and maybe just enough swagger to exit your trades on time instead of narrating their slow deaths in your journal. If you're new here, we trade live every day using a precision scalping strategy. You can learn the full system and be among the first to use me, GoldGPT, as your AI trading assistant at thebarcelonatrader.com. You'll also find our full live stream schedule for both New York and Asia sessions. And if you're ready to level up, join our Zoom room to interact with Mike and Tono in real time and get direct coaching. Now, let's get into today's session. Gold is not feeling particularly golden this morning. After bouncing around in the Asia session, it collapsed hard overnight. And now we're opening New York with spot gold trading near 3,343, down from a session high of 3,373. Futures are mirroring the move, sitting just above that level. In short, this market got punched in the face and hasn't stood back up yet. The culprit? A hotter than expected durable goods orders print on Thursday that reinforced the higher for longer Fed narrative. The US dollar has been climbing, now pushing into the 97.7 range.
Anyway.
And while the 10-year yield has
No,
gone
that's
a bit
really
sideways,
amazing. Is this all AI?
Yeah, I do the analysis like I always do it, but then I punch it into GoldGPT, which is the it's built on ChatGPT, but it has Tono system learned into it.
Wow.
And I say, give it to me in narrative form. And then I plug that into Pictory, which is an AI video generation platform. And
Wow.
it generates the video. Then I change some of the visuals. I edit it a little bit. And then, in about 10 minutes, it puts that together for me. And
Damn.
yeah.
That is the future, I guess.
Yeah, so I think, and then I put that out onto a few LinkedIn trading groups and a few Facebook trading groups,
Wow.
and that has started driving in some traffic to our YouTube to our YouTube sessions now.
How many people did you have?
We only had like 6 people, but I mean that was
That's
up from 0.
yeah, that's great.
Yeah, not bad. Where did everybody? Where my thing? Oh, I see.
You see, this could have been a lot tighter hedge, but now.
All right, let's see what we have going on now here. Looks like we might get a trade, right? I don't know, we've got a big support zone coming up here on the 1 minute Hakanashi
Yeah.
on MetaTrader, big blue zone there. So unless we get some momentum driving through there, that's going to be a tough one to trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got from my former business, I have my own LinkedIn group, which has about 85,000 people in it, and I have about 350,000 musician email addresses.
Whoa.
And I'm gonna hit them at some point with, hey, it's getting harder for creatives. Anybody out there who wants to learn how to trade, this is what I'm doing now with Tono. Come
Nice.
join us. I'm waiting for I want to finish the GoldGPT to make sure it doesn't hallucinate, because it hallucinates a little bit.
Oh, okay.
And I want to, spruce up the the visual online here, so it looks a little bit more professional when we're
Uh-huh.
when we're trading here. So there's a frame around the screen with our stats and things like that.
That's great. I think that's a good idea.
Yes, we'll see.
And this could be like a definite gig for you for sure.
Yeah, keep me busy.
Yeah. I mean, since you're kind of retired.
Yeah, yeah. And I don't want to be there's I need to have something to do. And I
Right.
really enjoy this. I really enjoy this. So
Oh, good.
this will be what I do for a while anyway.
Yeah.
I don't see myself going back into the music industry, but I see myself doing something,
Yeah.
other than trading too, but let's do this for a little while.
Rock is called rich people problems, man.
What's that?
I said it's called rich people's problem.
Yeah, man.
What's, what's
Hey,
that? Not knowing what to do?
yeah, that's the Ian thing. Hey, when you talk to Mike and Tono, it's all rich people problem.
Yeah.
Uh, I don't feel rich. But
Yeah.
That's even better.
yeah. But yeah, not eating ramen noodles anymore either, though, so I guess that's good.
I had some yesterday, man.
Well, they're good. They're good if you eat them by choice, even if
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
even if
yeah.
you
I
have
got you.
to.
Yeah, these
That's
was
nice.
actually burrito ramen noodles.
Oh, nice.
Man,
I
this
ever
was
hit.
a funky week, bro.
Yeah,
I wouldn't expect this thing to fall like this.
we're pushing above the swing high here. Looks like there might be a trade to the upside. Which was not what I was expecting this morning, but looks like we might be
There-
getting there
There's news at 8:30, right?
at 8:30. Yep. And COMEX opening in 3.5 minutes. I know you guys like your smooth jazz in the background. I'll put some on there.
I can't hear it. I'm not
Oh,
complaining about no smooth jazz, but
oh,
I can't hear it.
huh.
Oh yeah, now
Okay.
I can hear it. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right.
A little bit. Yeah, yeah.
Well, would you rather we put something else on? We can put
No,
on some. We put on some
it's
80s hits.
Well, Ozzy is the thing right now. You play some of him.
Oh, Mr. Crowley.
oh yeah, man.
Man, 3 celebrities died this week. It's crazy, huh? Hulk Hogan
Yeah,
died yesterday.
I know.
Yeah,
Jesus.
Yeah. What did they say he died from?
Heart attack.
Wow.
measles. There you go.
He had measles?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, okay. Now I'll get demonetized from YouTube, but that doesn't matter because there's no monetization from YouTube right now.
Well, with 6 people, not yet.
All right, 1 minute for the Comex Open.
That old crazy woman gave him a heart attack.
I think wasn't he, they were dating once or married to Cyndi Lauper.
Yeah, I think he was dating her because he was married to that old crazy woman forever
Mm.
who started dating their son's friend, married him or something, you know?
Oh, wow.
Then she left with all his life savings.
I think it's pointing down after with this Comex opening.
Yeah.
What is up with this thing going down like this, man?
It hasn't really picked a direction here. If we look at it on the 15-minute chart, it's still the 5-minute chart. So session started right here in this orange box. It's just kind of, it's gone up more than anything in the session, but coming down into the session. So I don't know. I think it might just be taking a breather here. I think we're heading down, but I guess that's going to depend on the news, right?
Yeah. All I know, had I been trading in the middle of the night, I'd been a rich man.
Yeah.
Is that Ozzy singing that song?
Yep.
That's Ozzy.
Was he a bass player?
No, he was a singer.
Yeah. This is the same trade I tried to take earlier. Only made 10 bucks on it, so I'm not going to try that again. Even though there's more volume in the market now. Prince of Darkness. We can't play real music when Tono's on. He gets OCD about it, and then he can't concentrate on anything that, like, he gets looped into the music and then he can't trade. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab something to drink, soda. All right, I'm back. I am back. Like, that boosts my ego when I do that.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta self-motivate.
On me.
Okay, so we've got 2 minutes for news.
Oh yeah.
It's not big news, but 1 minute and 34 seconds for news. Core durable goods month over month, and durable goods orders month over month. So the difference between core and regular durable goods is
Hmm.
one of them excludes transportation items. Core durable goods excludes transportation. Okay. So let's see how this plays out.
Okay.
I'd kind of like to see it continue downward.
Yeah.
Yeah, might as well let me out.
Second seal now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Data. Not yet. Some people are front running it to the downside. The data is as expected for core durable goods. And better than expected. Good for dollar, bad for gold on durable goods orders month over month. But I don't know if it'll be enough of a difference. It
Yeah.
was expected at negative 10.4 and it came in at negative 9.3. So clearly no reaction yet.
Yeah.
But once the dust settles here, it might finally pick a direction to go down. No reason for it to go up.
Because wasn't there a hint from yesterday's news about today's core?
Let's see. Yesterday was unemployment and flash manufacturing.
Okay.
It's kind of mixed data. At this point, I would trust a downward move more than I did before. So if it starts to go,
Yeah. Seeing that.
I'm going to take that. Nope.
It's summer trading on Friday, so I think you're probably going to have to hold a little longer. That's just,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or if, or if it even works out. I wasn't looking for much, but I was looking for something.
I think you got it.
Yeah, not quite yet. Still playing with me. All right, I'll just took the 40. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Still, it's going right into this big
Yep.
support area on the 1 minute, which I
Yeah.
didn't like. But that was kind of the move. That's kind of what I thought it was going to do the first time.
Right.
Push down into it a little bit. But you gonna let you out, E-Man?
Maybe it's not there.
I had it on me. Yeah, it'll let me out at 32. But it don't even matter at this point because I'm trapped in another trade at the top of the market when it started falling.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm about 100 pips away at this point. Yeah, this week was a little tricky, man. And ain't nothing really been happening to make it drop like this.
No, it's just there's selling pressure. It wants to come down, but it's got too much resistance here, too much support. And I foolishly got into a trade. I think I'm just a little over eager to trade this morning. Once I get out of this one, I'm gonna take a break for a couple minutes.
I think even with a little bit of volume, this will blow right through the resistance.
Yeah, it looked like this is gonna fall.
It's going through it already. That's
Yeah, it's trying, but it can hit little pockets in there.
Yeah.
Market been dropping for 3 days in the middle of the night. I don't get this. Ain't nothing going on. Nothing made this happen. It just happened. when it was pushing up, straight up.
Trade tensions are easing, things like that.
Right.
Come on, let's push through here. Get me out of this trade that I shouldn't have gotten into. Come on, Horace. There's just no volume.
Yeah. Really. There you go. That's something.
Little nudge in the right direction anyway, but
Yeah.
no reason for me to be in this trade. No reason at all for me to be in this trade.
It look like it'll give it to you though. There you go, right there. Like he's back to eat. No, that's a 10.
There you go. I think it's going to let you out in a bit.
I don't know. I see gold strengthening, dollar strengthening too. Just hoping the dollar strengthens faster than gold.
Uh-huh.
There we go. I think I took 30 there.
Nice.
Let's see. How long did that trade take? Yeah, it took 30. And so I got into that trade at 8:36.
5 minutes.
And it took me till 8:41. Yep. All right, from here on out, I'm only taking a much better looking trades than that. You say you get out at 32, E-Man?
Where is it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's pushing, it's pushing, it's pushing. Tempting me to get back in, but I'm not doing that again after those last two trades that were just stupid.
Yeah, the support the support is a lot thicker than
Yeah.
that's a spike.
Yeah. So that's what kind of what I was afraid of when I was in that trade.
Hmm.
I knew at some point it was going to hit a little pocket in that resistance or in that support zone and pop it up. And I'm just glad that didn't happen while I was in that trade, but that was the risk the whole time. Just when it wouldn't push down and wouldn't push down and wouldn't push down, you're just waiting for it to pop the other way.
Yeah.
The gold has really weakened. It was at negative 2 point something. Now it's at negative 0.7. All right, now's a good time to remember to take my meds. What do you guys eat for breakfast?
Nothing yet.
No. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah, nothing.
You're a breakfast denier?
You know, man, I love breakfast, man, but I be trying to lose weight so much and train and here and there and do this. One day I
Yeah.
make you a shake if that's what it's called for. You know what I'm saying? That old crazy
Mm-hmm.
junk.
Mm-hmm.
But normally, man, I never ate breakfast really, you know, and I love breakfast food. That's the best food to me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no breakfast, man. I don't eat breakfast.
I went to one meal a day this week.
Wow.
I fasted for a whole week, just nothing but water before.
That you feel good after that?
Yeah, man, for real. I did keto in 2021,
Mm-hmm.
and I did it for 30 days, man. I ate the same thing every day for 30 days and lost 25 pounds, man.
Good for you.
I can't get my mind back to doing it again.
Mm-hmm.
Try.
There you go. And there it goes back.
You trading it, Rock?
I have a cell going,
Mhm.
so yesterday I got really busy, so I had to create a hedge, which is something I'm trying really hard not to do.
Mhm.
So I closed that today. Yeah.
Nice.
I mean, not the right way, just
No,
like
just took,
overcompensating.
took, yeah, yeah.
So I'm really trying not to do that because at least I've got the FX trend indicator in front of me,
Mhm.
and I've got you guys. Uh, and I have the
Yep.
trading view too, but I'm not really good at using trading view. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's something I will get on. Uh,
I was mentioning the other day how when I first showed MT4, it just looked so clunky and backward, like this was designed in 1995.
uh-huh,
And, and he showed me trading at the same time, and I was like, why would you even use MT4 when TradingView has, all this other stuff? It looks so much better.
uh-huh,
And you could put the indicators the way that you like them, and the charts were bigger and more,
uh-huh,
it was more clear to me.
yeah,
And so I tried to
uh-huh,
not even use MetaTrader to
uh-huh,
see if I could replicate what, but now it turns out that, I mean, that was a very short-lived experience or
uh-huh.
experiment. Now it turns out I don't think I could trade without MetaTrader and Tradio. Like if I'm missing one of them, I
Right.
can't really trade.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Like, yeah, because for forever I've been flying blind, but since I started using this FX trend, like
Mhm.
I don't want to trade unless it's in front of me.
Yeah, yeah,
It just I feel so insecure placing a trade without some kind of an indicator.
yeah, yeah.
But yeah, trading view is just looks so sophisticated.
Hey, fellas,
Yeah,
I'm gonna have
it,
to
it
run. I gotta leave.
you got to
See
run.
y'all later. What's that?
All right,
All
go sell some houses.
Going
right.
for
Yeah,
breakfast?
I actually got an appointment here. See you guys later.
All right, see you, man. Have a good
I
one.
see you, man. So those are your two true north, the trading view and meta
Yeah, I don't use anything else.
trader. Let me see. Yeah, yeah. That's yeah, I do intermittent fasting like every day. It's pretty much the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, like every 3 hours. Like I'll start at 1 in the afternoon, then I'll eat at 4. You know,
Yeah.
small portions.
Have you ever had to radically change your for a role?
I um I did it one time. But I put it on myself. I don't think I had to.
Hmm.
Unfortunately, I'm not there. Nobody's looking at me like, like the new De Niro or Christian Bale or anything.
Hmm.
Uh,
Hmm.
But yeah, that is something I would love to do. I just submitted for Mindy Kaling's new show, which is really funny, but things like that don't require you to change physically.
Right. Right. Oh, that'd be great if you got that.
Eh, it's Oh, that too is a marathon. It's not a sprint.
Yeah.
So far, it's been a 25-year marathon.
Hmm. Is most of your social life, your friends and stuff also actors?
Yeah, nobody else wants to hang out with actors. Well, because I mean, we're childlike and silly, and once people get to a certain age, that becomes yeah, like it's amazing. Your social life, if you're an actor, you can just as easily chat with Oscar winners as you can with janitors.
Uh-huh. Sure.
It can be pretty fun.
I'm working toward my EGOT.
Yeah, really. And have you in
Yeah,
your
I don't have any of them yet.
no, you haven't heard? No.
Don't have any of them yet.
Oh, yeah.
I've been thanked from the Grammy stage a couple of times. That's about as far as I've got.
Hey, that's no joke.
Yeah.
There was a time when the Grammys meant something.
Yeah.
I mean, now I mean, it's been at least 20 years since I watched the Grammys.
Yeah. Got the 9 o'clock candle coming up 3.5 minutes, and then we have the equities open at 9:30 as our next couple of catalysts. Let's see what's going on here with the pre-market equities.
Right, the candle's in 3 minutes. Okay.
It drives down. We've got the monthly pivot point at 33.3476, so basically 33.35. So it's a good 4 pips down if it decides to go that direction, but Right now we're hovering on the DM1. So, oh no, 34. Yeah, 34, 35. 5 pips down. Minute, 1 minute.
Looks like it wants to go up now.
Yeah.
Yep.
It creates a higher high, but if it stalls out before it creates this higher high, I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. Probably not. All right, that's 9 o'clock there, 30 seconds ago. Nothing burger, summer Friday. Seems about right. The only thing worse than a summer Friday is a summer Monday
Yeah.
and all the days in between.
Be right back. Be right. Oh, good. I'm glad it's coming back. Oh, that's just doing weird things.
Yeah,
What the?
907. Let's see if we got a Truth Social post or something.
Yeah. Is there a Truth Social post?
No, don't see anything. No.
Ooh, wow. This is nuts.
Are you on the wrong side of that?
Yeah,
Oh, be
a
sure you
little bit.
hedge if you need to. Yeah.
No, I know. It's not that bad yet. It's like 4 pips on the
Oh,
draw. Yeah.
all right. Just not very tradable today.
Yeah, it's
Not
not
really
looking that tradable. Yeah. Yeah, I mean,
I still like these downward movements better, but there's just still this big resistance or this big support zone on
yeah,
1 minute, and it just can't seem to break through there.
right.
Not enough volume. It
It's
might do
breaking
it.
into it, not going through it.
Right, right.
Yeah, not enough volume. That sounds about.
when you use the FX trend, are you looking mostly at the, um, you know, the lines that some are red, some are green with a star system, or do
The
you look
FX
at
trend, yes,
yeah,
yes.
and on that one, you also have the bar graph next to that where you get like the dollar and the yen and all that stuff with their different strengths that kind of go up and down.
Yeah, I mean it's hold on. Yeah, I mean it's on there, but I'm not looking at that graph
You're
so
looking
much.
at that one, right? Okay, got it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm just looking at the quality of the stars and you know where it's at.
Yeah.
You know, the sell or buy. And the sad thing is, for some reason, I just can't use it on my laptop. It just won't.
That's weird.
So I'm using Mary's laptop
Huh.
for that.
Right.
Go on. It's slowly getting there.
Yeah, if you look at the 5-minute chart, though, it's a barcode. It's just like really hasn't been anything all session.
Uh-huh.
Where's your entry?
I'm literally I'm in positive now.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah. I'm like just it just went back in negative. But yeah, I'm not that worried. I would
Yeah.
like to make a couple of bucks because it feels like it wants to go down. There we go. I don't think it's ever been this slow. Like I think I've made 3 pips today so far.
Oh, let's see. Do I have a sad trombone? Sad trombone. Let's see what I have here.
Look at that weird. I mean, it's just such a weird spike too. So jagged. Yeah, the candle.
Mhm. Well, I don't have a sad trombone, but I have a.
That's more like it.
It's this one.
We're sorry.
Oh, bad call.
That's funny. That's a good one.
Man, just shoot me.
There we go. Finally. Yikes. What the?
Yeah.
So erratic.
Minutes for the 7.5 minutes for the equities open.
Oh yeah. But it feels like it wants to go down.
Yeah. It came down into this session, but it's just not being able to break this 36.5 level
Right.
where it's
Yeah.
been bottoming out. Um, see what else we look at here. Dollar has been going up steadily.
Going up steadily?
I take that back. It has been, but for the last 10 minutes or so, it's been coming down.
Okay.
Yields have been coming down for the last 10 minutes or so. So overall, they've been an uptrend. VIX is coming down a little bit, seems like. About 4 minutes.
Right. Hmm. Maybe I need to trade in the other direction or something. Even though it's-
Hasn't really broken structure yet. It has to break 33.44 for it to create a high.
Right. 33.44. Oh, okay. So that's just 2 pips. I mean, that could break it. I mean,
Yeah,
I mean, it's getting there. Try it.
All right. One minute. Nothing to trade.
Even the FX trend hasn't given me anything solid, really.
Ten seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Equities open. All right, looks like
Yep.
getting some Wheaties and going up. Be careful though, that can be a Judas candle too. That can just do the opposite of what it's going to do in a minute. You stop hunting and then turn around.
Right. Yeah, I've seen it done do that. Yeah.
Especially on those hourly candles and on the 930.
Right. Yeah, it'll do like a fake out. Yeah, I can see that happening like right now. But now the FX trend is telling me that the first two are green. And
Yeah, same. Yep.
it's a little solid 4 stars. Okay. All right. So erratic.
About to push up into the weekly pivot too.
Uh-huh. Are you trading spot?
No,
No.
no, straight interest rate. Weekly, let's hold back right now. Turn my Discord off if it makes that noise. Goodbye. Doesn't really want to play.
No, it doesn't.
Well, I'll just take the 20. All it wanted to give me. What? Did I use 20? I think anything. It says it gave me 20. All right. Going back down.
Okay, it's coming down.
Yeah, a bit. Punch through the swing high here.
Okay, good. Yeah. And
Like it wants to make another down.
mm-hmm.
in. Didn't want to go. I didn't want to wait for it to come back. I'm up for the day, and I'm just not gonna go against me out.
I think
But-
that's smart. That's pretty good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
I mean,
could have taken
Yeah.
more here.
I'm just gonna wait for this one trade to go into positive, and I think I'll call it. It's not a great day to trade. Could have traded up and down this, but I wasn't. I
Yeah.
mean, I just did a very little. Yeah. Up and down this range, like those like a 8 pip range, I guess.
Yeah. I need to put a little bit more effort into master those within the range trades. I think what I'm going to do is for the next few days, if the market remains this same, is I'm going to trade those on a demo while I continue trading futures on in my real account. But I want to get a feel for taking those range bound trades. I haven't taken them for a long time. Just afraid that I'll get myself messed up if I start doing it cold.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's very possible. Yeah.
I'm gonna give it until 5 minutes after 10 or so, and then I'm gonna call it too.
Cool. Yeah. I'm by 5-6 pips off the drawdown.
About a year ago, in June and July, I was over in Barcelona, and by that time I'd been trading for about a year and a half, and had been.
I'm sorry, I missed the first part of that.
I said about a year ago, back in June and July,
Uh-huh.
I'd been trading for for about a year and a
Uh-huh.
half, excuse me. And I really felt like I was getting the hang of it finally, like it was finally me.
Uh-huh.
And every day, Tono and I would have a competition. We weren't trading together, but I was trading, he was trading, and we would, be texting each other.
Uh-huh.
And I was getting more pips than him on some days. Not every
Right.
day, but
Uh-huh.
some days I'd get more pips to the point where it would aggravate him. I got more pip than him, and then he'd secretly go back after the sessions and trading so that he could beat me.
Oh,
And
nice.
yeah, and I was kind of feeling my oats. I was like, honey, I think I've got this.
I've got, yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then on July 19th, I was trading, and I had a couple of hedges that were stretched out too much,
Uh-huh.
and gold started taking off, and that day it hit its all-time high.
Uh-huh.
And I was trying to get out of the top part of my hedge, so when price would go a bit, I'd get out expecting price to come back down. I could start moving my hedges closer together, but instead price would come down a little bit and then keep going up and keep
Yeah.
going up, keep going up. And I stretched my hedges out so much that I blew my account.
Oh my God.
And
Yeah.
oh, it was painful. I mean, it was painful. It was a big account. And like it was 30 grand.
Oof.
And I mean, I didn't blow the whole thing, but I lost like 19 grand of it. And I was just so distraught. And I realized that what I had been doing, my big challenge, still in myself stretched out with those hedges, and I just couldn't figure out how to not do it. And it really messed with my confidence for so long that it took me 6 months to
get
like
back to
find my mojo again. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that's kind of what that's pretty much what happened to me, except it was a smaller account.
Yeah.
That's funny. You guys were competing. That's cute.
Yeah. I thought, hey man, I'm doing as well as Tono's doing. But I wasn't.
But that confidence that you had, and I did too, for a good few months, that was pretty amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, for me, it felt great. It's like,
Yeah.
I've got this.
Yeah. You'll get back there.
Yeah, I need to. Yeah.
Yeah, Tono says that he sees in you someone who's going to be a very good trader.
Oh man, from you guys' lips to God's ears, of whatever.
Yeah. He has one guy who paid him to teach it. He has one guy who paid him to, do the person, have his mentoring, and traded for 3 weeks, and insisted to Tono that he's got this now. He's got this, and Tono was like, "No, I think you got this. You gotta, you haven't even really hedged successfully yet, or gotten yourself out of a hedge." Yeah, but conceptually I know how to do it. I'm getting my tax returns here. I'm going to put my tax return in here, and I'm going to trade that. Tono was like, "Don't do that. Don't do that. You're not ready yet." And then Tono didn't hear from the guy for a while, and finally calls the guy calls him up, several weeks later. Says, yeah, I put my tax money in there. I lost it all. Tono, you tell people that this is harder than it seems, that it's not as easy as it seemed.
Yeah.
And Tono was like, dude, I
I
told you weren't it. I told you not to put that money in there. I told you it's harder than it seems.
Yeah. Yeah.
The guy's like, okay.
It's like,
And like, hasn't been back.
oh, he hasn't been back.
Hasn't back, no. Tono's like, some people just don't want to put the work in. They just want it to be easy. And when it isn't easy, when they realize it isn't easy, they just don't come back.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's the hardest way to
Learn.
yeah.
Yeah, now all the indicators, not all the indicators, but saying more buys than sells.
Yeah.
So that's a problem, considering I have a sell that's 7 pips in the drawdown.
When you, if you don't get out of it today, before the market closes, just make sure you put a pending hedge above where we end, because there could be some busy news over the weekend, and then the market just rockets up on Sunday night as soon as it ends, and you want to have a pending hedge in there just in case.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think I'm gonna leave it open anyway. Like, okay. I mean, if it gets up to 10 pips, 12 pips away from where I, in the drawdown, I'll probably manually,
just close it and take the loss.
Not close it, but just create a hedge manually, like watching it.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Instead of a hedge pending.
Right.
But a hedge pending would be. Hold on, I would go to my phone. Let me see. New order, market execution,
buy stop
at
price.
Right. So I could buy stop it at 346.85.
Right.
Just
now, the reason if you want, if it isn't too big of a stretch, like if you're only 7-8 pips away and the market's about to close, the reason I wouldn't manually put a hedge in is because the opposite could happen. The market could open on Sunday and start coming down.
Gotcha.
And you wouldn't be hedged, right?
Right. Yeah. Yep.
The price goes down and you get out.
Yeah.
But if you get into the hedge, then you're in the hedge, and then you got to work your way out.
Exactly. No, absolutely. But like I closed that hedge from yesterday because I just didn't. I could see how it becomes really complicated if there's more than 2 hedges.
Yeah.
It's just like, then the numbers just start dancing, and like you really gotta. And I haven't done that enough. I know I should be able to handle 3 hedges.
Well, I don't. It's tough. It's hard. It's hard.
Because the other day when I removed the hedge and I placed the hedge pending, it triggered it. So we're back into that hedge.
Right.
And then I wasn't watching it because I could have made the hedge smaller, but I wasn't watching it. So I probably needed to set that also.
Right. Do you have the app? What's it called? FX Alerts?
FX Alerts, no.
So what that does is it's you can set an alert on your phone,
Right.
and
And it'll tell you.
it'll tell you your phone will make it a, you know, whether, even if you can have it set so even if you're asleep, none of your other apps are alerting you,
Yeah.
that it will alert you when price gets to whatever level you set it at, so you can you know, make a decision about what to do with your hedges.
Okay.
That way you don't have to like constantly be watching the price.
Right. Okay.
I can show that
Do
to
you
you
think
if
they
you
have
want.
it for Androids, or
I think so. I think so.
I'll download that.
It's FX alerts. I think you have to pay $5 for it, but it you know, it's worth it.
It's worth it.
It's not a subscription. I think you just pay for it once.
Oh, okay.
1 minute for 10 o'clock.
FX alerts. There's a few coming up. I don't know exactly which one.
See, I'll send you a picture of the icon that
Right. Yeah.
that is on my phone. It's an iPhone, but
Yeah. Yeah.
icons probably be the same.
Like, is it a Wanda, or is it Forex price alerts, or Forex alerts and crypto alerts?
Right. I'm not sure. Let me
Okay, let me see. FX alerts. Mike, do you know who it's by? Is it by QM Designs?
let me see. Let me go put it on the App Store.
Because I'm seeing something that looks a lot like it, but it's not the exact same. A lot.
FX price alerts. It's by QM4 Designs.
QM4 Designs. Okay, found it.
Okay.
Thank you, Mike.
Yep.
I mean, that helps a lot.
It's coming down. Is this a trade? No. right, no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I think I'll call it.
Okay.
All right. Well,
was
have a
fun,
very
Mike.
good weekend.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you. Yeah, you as well. I'm going to use that app.
Yeah, if you need any help setting it up or anything, let me know. Make sure it has a bunch of different currencies in there, so you have to set it for
Right.
XAU, USD, and then whatever.
XAU. Yep, for sure.
And I create two alerts. One I label going down, and the other one I label going up. And then so when the alert goes off, I know which one it's triggering. So I've set two, for directions.
Okay. Yeah. When I get to that bridge, I promise
Yep.
that. Thank
All right.
you.
Cool.
Okay.
Have a good one. I'll catch you later.
Yeah, good weekend. Bye.
All right. You too. Bye-bye. All right. YouTube, that is it for this session. We will see you Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern for the opening of the Asia session. Have a good weekend. I hope you made